The 2025 Crown sedan draws attention from automobile customers with its extremely massive design and higher suspension. Its look is either strange or hell awesome, depending on your tastes, and its higher ride height is intended to appeal to a niche of customers who want an SUV's towering stance with a typical sedan body. The 2025 Toyota Crown ranges in price from $42,535 to $56,085 depending on the trim level and additional features. The interior of the Crown looks suitably luxurious. The driving position is elevated from the seating height of a conventional sedan to that of a compact SUV, which might make the Crown a desirable substitute for high-end vehicles that continue to follow the conventional lower-to-the-road formula. Ambient inside lighting, dual-zone automatic climate control, and 8-way power-adjustable front seats with heat are standard on all Crown models. A panoramic sunroof, leather interior, and ventilated front seats are added to the Limited and Platinum models. All models are equipped with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that runs Toyota's most recent, significantly upgraded software interface. The infotainment software incorporates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which provide a wireless link with cell phones. Digital gauges are displayed on a second 12.3-inch display in front of the driver, and the Crown also offers USB-C ports, onboard Wi-Fi, and a wireless smartphone charging pad. Limited and Platinum variants receive an 11-speaker JBL stereo in place of the 6-speaker one seen in the base XLE trim. Compared to similar Toyota 4-door models, all 4 of the Crown's trim levels offer a more upscale experience. We would go with the more potent Hybrid Max powertrain, which is only available on the highest-end Platinum model, as it seems like the most intriguing alternative. Due to its higher equipment level, the Platinum is also competitively priced when compared to other mid-size luxury vehicles. The hybrid drivetrain found in all Crown models is exclusive to the top-tier Platinum model. This configuration combines an electric motor mounted on the rear axle with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder to produce 340 horsepower combined. A 236 horsepower hybrid powertrain with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 3 electric motors powers the XLE, Limited, and Nightshade models. All-wheel drive is standard on all trims, however, the Platinum has a 6-speed automatic transmission. The XLE, Limited, and Nightshade all have continuously variable automatic transmissions. The Crown's performance with the standard powertrain is adequate, reaching 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds on our test track. According to EPA estimates, the Crown equipped with the standard hybrid powertrain can achieve up to 42 miles per gallon in the city, and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. The more potent Hybrid Max engine in the Platinum variant is expected to achieve 29 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway.